Teacher Juan from Indima School presents the juggling balls. Let's go! All you need is bird's food, a bottle like the soda ones or with the same size aperture, one balloon, two balloons, three balloons, scissors, some tape too. Open the bag of bird's food. Use a funnel to drop some food into the bottle. Choose the colors of the balloons. Put the balloon aperture into the bottle neck, secure it, and turn it over to fill the balloon with the seeds. Release the balloon and you're good to go. Now, prepare some tape and cut the neck of the balloon. Use the tape to close it. Cut the next balloon and wrap it around the first one. Do the same thing with the last balloon. Remember to make sure that the aperture is covered. That's it! You've got it! One, two, three balls. That's all you need to have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.